Making pizza at home can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are the general steps to make pizza from scratch. Ingredients: 1 pound pizza dough, homemade or store-bought. 1/2 cup pizza sauce. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. Toppings of your choice, e.g. pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, olives, etc. Cornmeal, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. If you have a pizza stone, place it in the oven to preheat as well. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the pizza dough into a circle or rectangle, depending on the shape of your baking sheet or pizza stone. If the dough is too elastic, let it rest for a few minutes before continuing to roll it out. If you are using a pizza stone, sprinkle it with cornmeal to prevent the pizza from sticking. If you are using a baking sheet, lightly grease it with cooking spray or olive oil. Spread the pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a 1/2 inch border around the edges. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Add your desired toppings evenly over the cheese. Be careful not to overload the pizza with too many toppings, as this can make it difficult to cook properly. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade pizza.